Looking to make a crankshaft, and I know one dimension I didn't know before. I know the length of, I know the stroke, so I know how far to offset that pin from the axis of rotation of the crank, right? So that's one way. But there are other things to do, although I don't personally do it, and this is a point of philosophy. You can start to pick these sketches and use them for extrude. So, you know, I made this one look a little bit more like a connecting rod. Okay, if I pick a connecting rod, it's blue now, can you see it? I could use that sketch, share it, and do it in extrude.
But it's all under the same sketch number though.
Yeah, but you get, but there's, okay, again, I don't, okay, some of this I'm going to answer now, and some of it I'm going to defer when we have a break. You know, you can copy the sketch to another sketch. I could go open a new sketch, I could select this, and then just simply use convert entities.
Yeah.
I could do, I'm not sure, do you ever share sketches between different features?
You can build it all.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You can do that now. Frankly, I don't do it because it builds models that are pretty hard to follow later. To do a lot of that.